pesos! Uy, Minor, sabihin mo doon sa customer, mag-antay na lang ng 5 minutes para tingin order nila.
Boss, hindi ko alam ang dami ng pila.
Basta sabihin mo na lang.
Boss! Magkabal ka naman tayo ng recipe. Paiba-iba na tayo ng ingredients. Ang gulo na.
Ano ba? Kanina pa kami dito. Ang tagal ng order namin. Yung isa sa likod namin, ako na pa sabing kumain. Gutom na kami.
Nakakadismay yung pagkain nyo. Lagi ako nandito pero bakit gano'n nagbago yung lasa?
This shows that business needs an entrepreneur at the start, but an operator needed to help it through.
Sandali lang. Tigil muna tayo. Malulugi tayo kung tuloy-tuloy na nawawala ng customer dahil magaling discount ng alat. Ito yung SOP natin. Sundin mo yung mga exact measurements para sa consistent lagi yung lasa. Okay.
Finding 1. Lack of SOPs can lead to failure in meeting health and safety standards.
Ito yung stop schedule and checkout guide para hindi ka malito sa bayad ng oras ng shipment.
Finding 2. Establishing a formal stock schedule is essential for labor compliance and preventing staff burnout.
Ngayon ko lang na-realize na hindi pala pwedeng trial and error lang habang lumalaki yung negosyo natin.
The founder will focus on new ideas, innovation, while the operator handles the daily system execution. Transitioning from a founder to an operator mindset is recommended to standardize operation and ensure long-term growth. This roleplay demonstrates that success starts with innovation but continues through proper management. Business planning becomes even more important once an idea is validated.